Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Chevy Malibu in sterling gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, lane keep assist, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 57,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D8032.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.